Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss Theorem 10.1.2 Punjab textbook board. Statement: if two angles of a triangle are congruent, then the sides opposite to them are also congruent. Now we draw its figure. ABC is a triangle in which angle B and angle C are congruent. We divide angle A such that we got two angles. We bisect them, angle A, into two equal parts and join the point bisector to the side BC at point D. Now we see that given according to statement, two angles of a triangle are congruent. In triangle ABC, angle B congruent to angle C. To prove, we have to prove that side AB is opposite to angle C. AB side is also congruent to AC side. Construction: draw a bisector of angle A, then join the bisecting line to BC side at point D. Proof: statements, reasons. Now we have two triangles ADB and ADC. Corresponding to ADC. we see that AD is common in both the triangles. AD side is congruent to AD. We see AD is common in both the triangles. Common. Angle B is congruent to angle C. It is given in the statement. Angle BAD is congruent to angle CAD. Construction. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Side angle angle. Side angle angle congruent to side angle angle postulate. So AB congruent to AC. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. This what we have to prove. AB congruent to AC. Please like my videos, share my videos with friends. If you have any question in your mind, please write in comment box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.